Hello everyone, welcome to another moment with Lorraine. Today I am doing a Farmhouse Glam candle holder. This is for everyone who loves the farmhouse decor but still wants a little glam in their life. Let's get started. These are the items you will need to make this fun candle holder. I spray painted the base of the candle holder with a silver spray paint. I'm also going to use this styrofoam as the base for the candle holder. After spray painting the styrofoam with the silver spray, I also sprayed it with the clear acrylic spray off camera. When making your glass or ceramic projects, be sure to use the E6000 or the clear Gorilla Glue. The hot glue gun is not made to hold glass together permanently, and I am using small dots of the hot glue to keep it in place while the epoxy glue dries. I am now removing the little tabs on the back of the mirror so it lays flat on the styrofoam disc that I painted. I had to cover up my reflection in the mirror because, believe me, I was looking rough. Like my kids used to say when they were teenagers, I was looking busted. And believe me, you all did not want to see me that day. Here is the bling wrap that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I will be cutting this to place around the top part of the base. I'm using Aleene's clear tacky glue to apply the cut bling wrap to the top of the base. Woo, that was a mouthful. Now the top part is done, it is now time to add the bling wrap of your choice around the base. Oops, gotta hide my face again. I keep sneaking in. The base turned out really nice. You could even use it to display a piece of jewelry or a nice figurine or even a perfume bottle. I'm really proud with how it turned out. Now apply the E6000 glue to the top of a glass dish and place inside the blinged out styrofoam disc. I am now going to cut 2 strips from the bling mesh and apply it to the top of the candle holder base. I'm just using a dab of the hot glue to keep it in place so I can wrap it around without it shifting or falling off. If you want to use the E6000 or clear Gorilla Glue to glue down your bling mesh, it's up to you. I just happened to use the Aleene's clear tacky glue when I was doing mine. But whichever one you choose, it should be okay. just as long as it's not the hot glue gun, because it will not come out the way you planned and will not last. Now it's time to glue the bling mesh around the glass part of the candle holder. I'm only using the glue gun to keep it in place while I glue the bling mesh around the glass part of the candle holder with the E6000. As you can see, I kind of burnt myself with the glue gun. I've heard that they have these little rubber tips that you can buy to put on your fingers when using a glue gun so you don't burn yourself. But to me, I think those would get in the way. Do you all have any, or what are your opinions on them? Let me know in the comments below. Not bad at all. And you've noticed I haven't been doing a lot of talking in this video because it's pretty much self-explanatory. As I was looking at the candle holder, I realized I really did not like the thick bottom on the glass. So I am going to cover it with some bling wrap. So now we have a double layer of bling wrap, right where the base connects to the top. Now, while all the pieces I glued together are drying, I'm just going to give this mirror a good old wipe. Now it's time to take the twine and make some flowers. I'm going to wrap it around my hand 7 times. Now you're going to take a piece of twine that's about 5 inches long and wrap it around what you just did and tie it off. Doing this with long nails is quite the challenge, but I got it done. Be sure to tie a double knot and pull it pretty tight. I chose not to speed up this part of the video so you could see in detail exactly what I am doing. I am now doing the second part of the same flower. This is now the third part of the same flower. For those of you who are totally confused about what I'm doing, it's okay, hang in there. It's all gonna come together and you'll see exactly what I was doing. It is now time to glue all these three pieces together and make a star shape. Ouch! This glue gun is out to get me. Now it's time to make the smaller flower that goes on the top part of the base of the candle holder. And seeing that this is a smaller flower, I only made a set of 2, unlike the big one where I made 3. I am now going to glue these 2 together. This will make an X shape for the flower. Now pull all the pieces apart to make the petals of a flower. See how easy that was? Nothing to it. This makes a great little flower, and you can make them as big or as small as you want. Voila! There is your little rustic twine flower. So cute. Here is my big old bag of buttons. Now it's time to put use all those little buttons you have laying around the house. Let's get started. To give these buttons a little bit more pizzazz, I'm gonna glue one button on top of the other button. These buttons will serve as the center of your flower. You can use any size. I just happen to use these small ones for mine. Now it's time to use the hot glue gun to glue the buttons onto the center of your flower. Now you don't have to use a button as the center of your flower. You can use a pendant or a tiny little picture frame with someone's photo in it. I'm also going to use these tiny little silver hearts. These curved jewelry making pliers help to pick up tiny beads when doing your crafts. I'm really proud of these flowers. They came out so cute. As we are now getting close to the grand finale, it is now time to place the candle holder onto the mirrored base. Be sure to apply a generous amount of the E6000 glue. when you are putting it on, put it more towards the inside of the base so that when you press it down onto the mirrored base, it doesn't all ooze out where it can be seen. Be sure to apply some drops of the hot glue gun around the base of the candle holder. This will keep it in place as the E6000 dries without it shifting. You know how sometimes you glue something together and then when you go back to check on it, it has shifted? Well, the hot glue gun will help prevent this. Be sure to hold it down for about a minute so the hot glue can harden. If you accidentally drop some E6000 glue on your glass, ceramic, or mirror, quickly wipe it off before it dries with a paper towel or cotton ball moistened with 70% rubbing alcohol. And don't worry about all the flyaway pieces of hot glue. Those can be easily brushed away with a toothbrush. Wow, I must say this is turning out really nice. As I give myself a pat on the back. Now it's time to apply our cute little rustic flowers that we made out of twine and buttons. I'm going to apply the larger one on the bottom, but when you get ready to do your project, you can place it wherever you want. I am now going to place the small one on the top. This was one of the most fun candle holders I have made in a long time. I am so proud of how it turned out. It turned out farmhouse and romantic glam at the same time. Please let me know what you think. Leave your comments below and please give a thumbs up under the video and subscribe. This lets YouTube notice me even more. Thanks for watching and supporting my little channel. Until next time, take care.